The problem: the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. Less than its less means minus, less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. Hypotenuse given, find two sides. Actually, this is the right triangle, this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse 13 centimeters. Actually, suppose this is the base, this is the base x, this is the altitude of a right triangle. Altitude, this is the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. Less than its base. Less than means minus. 7 centimeters less. So x minus 7. Let the base of the right triangle, this is the x. Altitude of right triangle, this is the x minus 7. Next, hypotenuse right triangle. Hypotenuse of right triangle equal to 13. This is the hypotenuse. In right triangle, this is the condition. In right triangle, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. This is the condition important to hypotenuse 13 square equal to side x square, one side square x square plus one another side x minus 7 whole square, x square plus a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula: a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula. X square, this is the a square x square, b square 7 square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 7, 169. X square plus x square 2x square, 7 square 49, 2 7s 14x, 2x square minus 14x plus 49. This is the shifted plus becomes minus 169 equal to total shifted, so equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x minus 169 plus 49, minus 169 plus 49 minus 120 equal to 0. 2 common, x square minus 7x minus 62, 60s 120 equal to 0. Into 2 na becomes by 2, 0 by 2, 0 by 2 value 0, 0 by 2 actually, 0 by 2 0. X square minus, here take any two values, adding is equal to the middle term, product is equal to the product of last two terms. Product middle term minus 7x, product minus 16 x square minus product minus 60 x square. Any two values, 60 values 160s, 230s, next factors 320s, next 4 15s, next 5 12s, 12 5s, okay, 6 10s, next okay. Be observe, adding is equal to the 7. This is not possible, this is not possible. Any subtracting or adding, this is not possible, this is not possible, this is not possible. Next 20s minus 12 5s, minus 12, suppose here observe, minus 12, here middle minus 7, so minus 12 plus 5, minus 12 plus 5, minus 12 plus 5 minus 7x. Next 12 5s 60, minus into plus, so minus 12x plus 5x. This is the, this is satisfied. This is not, this is not, this is not. 12 5, here 7, adding is equal to middle, minus 12x plus 5x minus 7x, minus 12x into plus 5x minus into plus minus 12 5s 60. So it is possible. So minus 12x plus 5x possible. Next minus 60 equal to 0. X common, x minus 12 plus 5 common, x minus 12, x minus 12 common, x plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 12 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Here this is the negative. X means base. X means base. Base cannot be negative. Base cannot be negative. So x cannot be negative. Base of right triangle cannot be negative. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So only base of the right triangle 12, only 12 take. This is negative, not x cannot be negative, or base of the x means base of right triangle cannot be negative. So base of right triangle equal to 12 centimeters. So altitude of right triangle x minus 7, so 12 minus 7, 5 centimeters. This is the base, this is the altitude. This is the two sides. Another, find the other two sides. The remaining two sides are 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters. A cottage industry, cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles. Pottery, this is the pot articles. Pottery articles in a day. Pottery articles in a day produces daily. It was observed on a particular day. It was observed one particular day that cost of production, the cost of production of each article, the cost of production of each article was 3 more than, more means plus 3 more than twice the number of articles. Twice means 2 times. Twice the number of articles produced on that day. It is the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. Find the number of articles, cost of each article. This is the, let the number of articles x, number of articles, the cost of each article. Here observe, number of articles x, cost of each article it is given. Production of each article was 3 more than, 3 more than means plus 3 more than twice the number of articles. This is the number of articles x, twice 2x. Actually number of articles x, the cost of each article, cost of production each article was 3 more than means plus 3. Twice the number of articles x, twice the number of articles 2x produced. So the cost of each article equal to 2x plus 3, 3 more than twice the number of articles, so 2x plus 3. Total cost, this is the number of articles into cost. Actually suppose 5 pens having each cost 2 rupees, suppose total cost 5 into 2. Total actual number of articles 5 pens having each cost 2 rupees, total cost 5 into 2, so product 2. Same way total cost equal to x into number of articles into cost, each article cost, x into 2x plus 3. Same 5 into 2, 5 pens 2 rupees each one, so total cost 5 into 2 na. Same way number of articles into each of cost of each article. This is the cost of each article. Given total cost, already given total cost of production on that day 90 rupees. Total cost, this is the total cost, this is the total cost. So x into 2x plus 3 equal 90. X into 2x, 2x square, 3 into x, 3x equal to 90. Next 90 shifted, this becomes minus 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal 0. Take any two values. This is the product. This is the 2x square into 90. 2x product 2x square into minus 90 equal to minus 180x square. This is the product. Adding plus. Adding is equal to the plus 3x. Any two values take. Any two values. 15 and 12. 15 into 15x into minus 12x. 15 12 180 plus into minus x into x square plus 15x minus 12x plus 15x minus 12x. Adding is equal to the middle term, so plus 15x minus 12x. Here x common, 2x plus 15 minus 6 common, 2x plus 15. Already minus common plus 15 6 15 6 are 19, so equal to 0. Here 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15 common, x minus 6 equal to 0, 2x plus 5 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 5, plus becomes minus, x equal to minus 5 by 2, x equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6. The number of particles produced in a day must be positive. This is the negative, this is the negative, this is the x cannot be negative, x cannot be negative. So article number of particles produced in a day must be positive, so therefore x is equal to 6. X means number of particles, x means number of particles. The cost of each article, the cost of each article more than 3, twice the number of particles. 2x plus 3, 2 into x, number of particles 6, 2 into x, 2 into 6 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. The cost of each article 15 rupees. The number of articles 6 articles, 6 pottery articles. Next, the base of a triangle is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Longer than means plus, smaller than means minus. Okay na? The base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than altitude. So altitude x, base x plus 4. Longer than altitude, so altitude x, base x plus 4. Longer than means plus. If the area of the triangle is 40 square centimeters, 40 square centimeters, then find its base and altitudes. Let the altitude of a triangle x, base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. Longer than means plus, x plus 4. Area of triangle, base into altitude or height, half into altitude into base, half into base into height. Actually formula area of triangle half into base into height. Height means altitude. Half into base into height. Height means altitude. Half into base, that equal half into altitude x, base x plus 4, x into x plus 4. This is the area. Already given area of triangle 48 square centimeters, so this both are equal. Half into x plus 4 equal to 48. Next by 2 becomes into 2, by 2 becomes 48 into 2, 96. X into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, 48 into 2, 96. Plus becomes minus, x square plus, here any two values, 12 plus 12 minus 8 plus 4, plus into minus product, 12 8s 96, plus into minus 12 8 96, x into x, x square minus 96 x square. Any two values adding is equal to the middle term, product is equal to the product of last two terms. So plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 equal to 0. X into x plus 12 minus 8 into x plus 12 equal to 0. X plus 12 common, x minus 8 equal to 0. X plus 12 equal to 0, x minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to minus 12, x equal to 8. Actually x means altitude. Altitudes cannot be negative, or x cannot be, altitude cannot be negative, or x cannot be negative. Altitude, this is the altitude, this is the altitude. Altitude cannot be negative, so the altitude of triangle 8 centimeters, base of triangle 4 centimeters longer, so x plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 centimeters. This is the base, this is the altitude base.